How to delete your Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Spotify account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to delete our Spotify account, we just want you to go over and then launch the Spotify app, log into the account that you want to delete, and once you log in, you can see it's just now going to look like. You have to tap on the gear icon or the settings button which you see on the top right corner. Once you tap on the gear icon here, you have to scroll down to the bottom and find the option that says support. So just go ahead and look for the support option under the about section. You might find it. Once you go to support, you'll be taken to the support page of Spotify, and here you have to simply search for a keyword that says closing your account. So just go ahead and search for closing your account and you'll see this search result. Just tap on the closing your account result over here. As you do that, you'll see this article. Now there are two ways. One is if you've got the premium account, one is if you don't have premium. So if you have got premium account and you want to delete it, keep in mind that you will lose your subscription and your account will also be deleted. So just tap on the close your account button. But if you have a free account like myself, then I'm just going to tap on the close my account under the don't have premium tab. Just tap on it. Once you tap on the close your account button, you'll have to enter your password and then just go ahead and close your account in that way, just like that. Keep in mind that after you close your account over here, all you can do is, in order to reactivate it, you have 7 days, which means you have 7 days to reopen your account after deletion. If you don't reopen it after 7 days, you'll not be able to gain access back into your account. And that's all it takes to delete your Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.